1. Moss. Moss moved life from water to land. It doesn't need roots or soil, allowing it to colonize dead worlds and prepare them for others. 2. Fungi. Fungi connect ecosystems across species and eras. They break down death and convert it back into life, acting as biological translators between worlds. 3. Lungfish. Lungfish exist between water and land. They can breathe air and survive buried in mud, crossing environmental timelines most species cannot. 4. Tardigrades. Tardigrades can suspend life entirely and resume it later. They survive vacuum, radiation, and freezing, crossing conditions that normally end biology. 5. Horseshoe crabs. Horseshoe crabs predate dinosaurs and modern oceans. Their body plan crossed mass extinctions with almost no change. 6. Sharks. Sharks crossed multiple planetary resets without redesign. Their form worked across oceans that no longer exist. 7. Insects. Insects crossed every mass extinction by sheer adaptability. They can occupy air, land, water, and underground simultaneously. 8. Burrowing mammals. Small burrowing mammals crossed the dinosaur extinction by living between worlds' surface and underground. They became the blueprint for modern mammals. 9. Cyanobacteria. These organisms reshaped the planet by producing oxygen. They transformed Earth's atmosphere, ending one world and creating another. 10. Humans. Humans crossed worlds not by changing bodies, but by creating tools, symbols, and stories. They carry memory across time, even when environments collapse.